Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Mashrabiya panel using a 2D image. So as you can see, these all I did for Ramadan with 2D images. So I'll show you how to make the 3D model from a 2D image. Okay, first of all we need the image. So I will search in Google and you can type it there, Mashrabiya pattern or Mashrabiya vectors. There are so many designs, so I will select one. Okay, this one is fine. I download this image and then we need to take it to Photoshop for cropping that. Okay, I'll save this one in my folder. Okay, for cropping this I use a snipping tool. That is the easiest way, so it will be very easy and fast. So I will save it in my folder. Okay, now we saved that one and I need to open Photoshop. So I'm using Photoshop CS6. As per your version, you can use Photoshop and crop this one accordingly. Okay, double click on the workspace, so then you can open an image. I will adjust the window according to my screen. Okay, yeah, I saved in my folder, so you can take this one. Yes, it's here. So I will open it and I need to make a path for this. So I need to select these black lines. For that I need to go to magic wand tool. Then I'll select the black part. Yeah, magic wand tool. Then I'll click on the black part, then it will select all black in this area. Then I need to go to path section. From that I'll click on this down arrow. I'll adjust the screen because you cannot see the options. Yeah. Okay, now make path. So then it will automatically ask the tolerance. So I will give 1 tolerance and then okay. Now we have a path accordingly. So then I need to export this into an Illustrator file. So export and then path to Illustrator. Okay, it will save as an AI file. So then we need to import this into 3ds Max. Then only we can use our line. Okay, now we can close Photoshop. Then we need to go to 3ds Max. I'll open the top view. I'm using 3ds Max 2014 version. So I will go to top view and then I will open the, I need to import this one actually. So I will import this Illustrator file. Okay, I'll open it from my folder. Here we go. So we have this AI file, so just open it. No need to change any options here, just press OK. Okay, so now we have this line, so we can we need to use extrude option, then we can make it as a 3D. Now it is 2D only, so I will go to modify list, then I will press yeah, first of all I will make into a standard panel. I will make it 60 by 60 centimeters. So imported file I need to resize manually. So I will, if you need to take it into a exact center of this window, so just go to move tool and right click over there, and then XYZ all the dimensions you can make it 0 0 0. Accordingly it will come to the exact middle point, so then we can manually resize it. Okay, now we have it in exact center. I will resize it accordingly. Okay, now it has become 60 by 60 centimeters. I will delete this box. Okay, now we have this line. Then as I told you, we need to go to modify list. From there I will choose extrude option, and this press E, then it will show all the words starting from E. So then we can choose extrude, then just give a amount to that, so it will show the 3D file accordingly. Okay, yeah, like this you can see the 3D file. You can increase the amount, then accordingly it will yeah, like this you can increase it or decrease it as per your design or project. You can make accordingly. So I will keep it as 0.2 something, because I don't need thick file. So this is my 3D file, very simple, and within few minutes you can make one Mashrabiya panel using an 2D image. This is the 2D image, so we made it into a 3D. So like this only I used in my projects, as I showed you all the designs. And now I'm gonna color this one. So for that I need to export this one into OBJ file, because I'm gonna render this one in key shots. I will do it in I will do a tutorial about the key shot in future, so you can mention in the comment section about that. If you need to know more details about that, mention in the comment section. Okay, export, and then I need to choose the file type as OBJ. I will save it in my folder. I'll give as 01, and then I'll choose here OBJ file, OBJ format. Yeah, so like this you can export so many items into OBJ, or there are so many formats. accordingly you can use some objects or models with some other softwares. So I'm going to use in KeyShots software this model. So I opened already KeyShots, so I'm using this version. So here, from there I export, so I need to import from this. For that, yeah, I'll go to my folder again. There we go, we have this file. So I will import to this. Then you can see the model here. So this is a very simple software you can use for your small models for like this. So just you need to drag and drop your material. In left side you can see all the materials. So I'm going to color this one as a metal structure, metal Mashrabiya panel. So I will go to metals, and then there are so many materials, gold, silver, like that. So I will use this material, drag and drop. So I think this is the best one. So this is the color. Yeah, so simply like this you can color it, you can put the material, then you can render it very easily. So I will give a file name and the location to save this, and resolution as 2000 plus. It will get automatically. Okay, within few seconds, few minutes it will render, because this is a very simple model. It will not take much time to render. So like this it will render very fast. Specialty of this KeyShots, very fast, and if your project is very important and very urgent, so you can render it here, but simple ones only, not the big projects. Okay, so like that only I made these all the models and everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Subscribe to my channel, so you will get so many videos, interesting videos like this. Okay, I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you guys.